Since the past to present time, Indonesia is known with its natural resources and its beautiful panorama. The productive land allows various plants like vegetables, fruits, and spices to grow easily in areas all over Indonesia, mainly in the cool climate zone, such as West Java. These plants, beside for the grower's own consumption, some of them are sold to the market. Some are processed to become spicy sauce and traditional spices of Indonesian flavor and packaged in attractive packs, like what has been done by PT Ika Food Putra Mas. Kokita was established in 1987 in Bandung, the capital city of West Java, about 180 kilometers from Jakarta. The large and comfortable factory is standing gloriously in Jalan Panyawungan, precisely located at Cileunyi Toll Road Outgate, Bandung. The name Kokita was taken from the combination of two words, Koki and Kita, which means our cook or Koki Kita. The superiority of Kokita to other spices are practical and easy to consume, safe and healthy for the consumption. Due to the high quality of natural materials, hygiene and health is guaranteed, good taste, and available in supermarkets, shops, and traditional market. Kokita is practical and easily consumed, ready to serve anytime and any place, even during the busy hours. Housewives at all time can become a top cook with Kokita. They can prepare the delicious fried rice or food for their beloved husband and kids. Star hotels in Indonesia have proven its practicality. Many cooks have no doubt at all about the superiority of Kokita products. Kokita is processed with high-quality materials. Freshness is secured, so it is safe and healthy to consume. The experienced experts examined carefully in various recipes and ingredients of Kokita. This is intended to maintain the quality of the sauce. The uniqueness of Kokita in gathering the spicy sauces and Indonesia traditional spices for modern people consumption is the result of sophisticated modern machineries and high technology in the factory. With these machineries at Kokita, hygiene and sanitary is guaranteed. The factory staffs and personnel who are educated and trained in handling food processing technology have never stopped monitoring and maintain the modern machinery in order to gain the result of sustainable Kokita quality products. Competition at global level in this technology era requires Kokita to improve its quality and various aspects along with its commitment to give the best for the consumers. The Kokita factory has international quality and standard, as well as international acknowledgement upon the award ISO 9002 certificate. Kokita has developed fast. Nowadays, Kokita products can be found in almost 90% of the supermarket in Indonesia. Even Kokita has penetrated international market by exporting its products to various nations. Kokita unite the spices sauce and traditional spices to be used for all kinds of Indonesian dishes. With Kokita coarse paste, every dish is prepared easily. Kokita fried rice paste is produced according to the Indonesian original recipe. Kokita fried rice paste was used as the main ingredient in the big event at the Gazebo Field in Bandung, the world-breaking record cooking, which present the largest amount of nasi goreng. The variety of Indonesian traditional spice sauce produced by Kokita will also enrich the flavor of Indonesian dishes. Kokita also provides sauce and fermented bean paste used as a condiment. Kokita guaranteed consumer satisfaction, which includes security, quality, and flavor. Kokita in this case has been awarded with Food Safe Plus Award in 1999 from Australian government. Hard work, strong commitments to innovation and quality is the key success of Kokita in order to reach its goal to be the leader of Indonesian spices business and to present the flavor of Indonesian cuisine to the world.